Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound yen, I still think this is extremely clearly a wave A. I think this is very, very clearly a wave B, and I think this is very clearly a wave C. I think we're in a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. Now, we are at the 178.6 fib extension, which is definitely an area where wave 3 could end. It definitely could go down and make a wave forward and back up for a wave 5 just to finish off this uptrend for the wave C. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, one thing you really have to keep in mind is we have no lower high, we have no breaker structure, we don't even really have much of a Fibonacci bounce yet, so the trend is definitely still up on all the higher time frames. There is no proof that this wave 3 is over yet. So going down to the daily time frame, even on the daily time frame, there's no break of structure yet, and I personally think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, and I think this could be a wave forward and might go back up for a wave 5. Definitely still very bullish. No reason to think otherwise. No break of structure or anything like that. Going down to the 3 hour time frame, looking at all the yen pairs has kind of convinced me that this is three waves down for like a expanding flat wave A, 1, 2, 3 waves up for an expanding flat wave B, and then a nice impulsive down for a wave C. It went right down to the 38% Fibonacci retracement of this whole move up right here. I think this is a wave 4, and I think we're actually back into the uptrend, and this is going to go up and make new highs again, probably in a wave 5. So going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down, because if it does go up to a Fibonacci retracement level, make a very impulsive move down, make a break of structure, I would definitely at that point get out of any of my longs and go short again, because it possibly could make a much bigger move down, especially with the fact that the Bank of Japan did intervene again. But for me, I'm really not convinced at all that that's the case. We actually have a break of structure to the upside. I think it pretty much proves that this is the end of a wave C of wave 4, and I think this is very likely going to just keep on going up, probably take out the previous highs. Maybe it's a wave 5, maybe not. The trend is definitely still up. This is definitely a 4 year uptrend. And there's nothing saying that the trend is over on the weekly, monthly, or daily, so guess what? I'm definitely still very bullish. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.